have a limestone quarry on the other side of the property. The sand and gravel that we're making is all overburden. We found when we core drilled, made the decision last year to go ahead and put a sand and gravel plant in to get rid of our overburden. Superior was the only one that we dealt with that could do basically a turnkey, made their own equipment, installed it from start to finish. We didn't have to go to another source if we had any issues with the equipment or the quality or anything like that.
Everybody worked together and nobody was waiting on nobody. I mean, everything just clicked right along. It's probably one of the smoothest projects I've ever been around.
We dumped the material in the bin. It's got vibrating grizzly bars on it. Scalped off there, and then it's run back up conveyor into the blade mill. It washes and cleans the material. And then it goes over the screen. The overs, which are the gravel, goes into our VSI. The rest go down into flume. The flume and all the material go up into the class tank through the cyclones. From there it goes a twin screw. We've got a twin 48 screw for our coarse sand and a single for our masonry sand.
So, you know, with Aggregate, it's surprising how much water dumps off and how much less comes out the end. It's amazing what it does. Our main products will be mortar sand and C33 sand.
We've got a fines recovery plant which cleans up all of our wastewater.
Turn it into a product what we call plaster sand. If we didn't have that, it would be in the pond and not on the bank.
Now we're excited. We've had a good experience with Superior and Beltec.
I would recommend Superior to anyone. They've been awesome to work with. I mean, it's very, very organized. I can't say nothing bad about them.